Okay, here's a rare one, a 1936 Chrysler Airflow Coupe. This was a kind of an experimental time for Chrysler. They were playing with very streamlined looks by virtue of the name Airflow. You know what they're getting at. The design really didn't take off at the time. It certainly had a lot of Art Deco details. And this particular car, it was a rare short wheelbase coupe as opposed to many were a four-door sedans, and also there was a DeSoto version as well. There were only 110 of these coupes produced in 1936, and at this point only 6 are known to remain. So a very rare piece of history here.